So today we'll be treating how to scout on TikTok. So I know we might have been scouting on Facebook, Instagram, and other social media, but there are few ways we can actually scout on TikTok that are very sure, like they are 100% sure. So this way is just more like you. Okay, earlier I did a video now you can scout on Facebook, and I actually targeted people that are running ads on Facebook. So this time around we are also targeting people that are running ads on TikTok. So when we get to those people that are running ads on TikTok, we um we check through what they are doing, and we see we can be of help to them how we can be of help to them. Unlike the one we'll be seeing earlier on you searching for people that own a platform, more like Rose Bronson that owns ClickFunnels, checking his followers and contacting their followers. Most of those people you are contacting their agency and they don't need your help. So this one is me targeting the owner of stores. So those people they are running ads on TikTok. Now they have the privilege to input their landing page on the ads, but most of them they normally add their landing page. Some of them their landing page loading speed is very low. Some of them they add their store instead of adding a landing page. So these are the things we are going to preach to them. These are the things we are going to pitch to them, and make sure they get in touch and they hire us. So when we are done with that, then we will now know how we can contact them. So let us start. Now I'll go to art library. Now this art library is where I'm going to check it. So here I have TikTok ads performance. So it's going to take me to explore top ads on TikTok. Now automatically it is going to bring out this page and it's going to target people in US. So in this video we are going to work on people on US. So the industry here I'm going to select I'm going to go to beauty. So I'll select all. So it's going to reload this page for me. I'll go to OBJ, objective, traffic, conversion, and lead generation. So those are the three people I'm targeting. I don't need this. I don't need these likes. I don't need these art formats and art language. I don't need them. So now here is it. Now here I have these people that are running ads. I have these people that are running ads. So if I click on analytics, this is it. It has 3k likes, top 90%, and high budget. So I'll click on see analytics. So when I click on this, this is it. Is region. This is those people, those country targets, the objective, product sales, traffic, reach, and conversion. So this person wants conversion. So let us check his landing page. So you can see automatically this one loading speed is not okay. It's taking too long to load. It's taking too long to load, and I'm very sure this is not a landing page. This is a store. So you let this person know that we can actually work for him. We can boost his loading speed. I don't even know if the site is looking okay itself, but you can let him know that we can boost his loading speed. After boosting his loading speed, we can also design the landing page for him. So from the landing page, he's going to explain everything they need to know, and from there we can move them to his own store. You can see it's not even loading. It's not even loading. So those are one of the things you can let them know. And afterwards, now there's no way you can see his name here. You see this brand name doesn't mean that this is his name on TikTok. Most of them doesn't put their brand name. But when you come back here, you see something here. HD that's the that's their username. Cogito stores under this their stuff. This final K dot online. This Maria, that's their TikTok username. So you can now go to TikTok, you can search for the name, and from there you are going to message. So from here, you will now I will check through some of these username on my TikTok. I'll check through some of them on my TikTok. So after checking on them, then we can know what next to do, how we are going to contact them, various ways we can contact them, and things we need to notice before contacting them. Things we need to notice before contacting them. You can see, I'm not even sure if the site is okay. If the site is okay. So we will contact them and let them know what we can offer them. So let's check through TikTok to find some of their names.
So this is it. Now we go to TikTok, and when you go to TikTok, now the first thing you need to know is that you must have a nice profile. You must make sure your profile is very, very, very okay. Upload some of your projects, your profile, some of your past projects, upload them. So when you are done uploading your profile, then you are good to go. You can now start messaging your clients. You can now start messaging your buyer, people you scouted um on TikTok. You scouted on TikTok. So now we go to search. We go to search and we search for one of them, HD deals. So when you type this, don't press anything it brings out here. Make sure you don't press anything it brings out here. Just search for it. When you search for it, it's going to take you to the page automatically. To take you there. When you take you there, now this one has not posted anything. When you try to message, you can see. You can see. Now there are some people that doesn't allow people to message them. There are some people that doesn't allow people to message them. Now if you are able to come across those that doesn't allow people to message them, and those people has they have some post, like they posted some stuff. Now this is how you are going to go about that. There is one I message, I commented on his post. Let's see, I think this is it. So when you check this one, you can see not sent. Message cannot be sent since this user isn't following you. So that kind of person, you just go to his post. So I think I searched for this person this morning. I searched
Testing
for
a
this person
boring
this morning.
traditional hairbrush
So
for a
you
week.
go to his
I'ma
comment
keep it
section.
simple, you just don't
You
got
have
what I
something
got.
like
Look at
great
how
product
dirty
video.
it already
I love
is.
how you are showcasing
Like,
your product. It's really eye
I'm
catching.
really
I have
that
got some
hot,
ideas that
bitch.
might
But
help
check out
increase
how clean the
engagement
This Looks
and
Brush
conversion
2.0
even
is
further.
after a week with a
Mind
push of a
if
button.
I message great product video. I love how you're showcasing your product. It's really eye catching. I've got some ideas that might help increase your engagement and conversion even further. Mind if I message. Now it is 50-50. That person might decide to reply, he might decide not to reply. If he replies you, it's a win for you. If he doesn't reply you, what, you move on. There are a lot of ads there. So you look for more people that you can contact. You look for more people you can contact. It is immediately I got these updates, I had to do the video. So I haven't even contacted a lot of them, but I have seen some that has replied, and we are still on um discussion mode. So you search for them, you message them here, you message them here. So when you message them, you look for words that you can see. This one doesn't have much followers, it doesn't even have much video, but there are other people that has much video, that has much follower. Those are the people you can message. When you message them, make sure you explain what you want to do. Make sure you explain what you want to do, and I will say it again. I'll say it again. Make sure your profile is well optimized. Make sure your profile is well optimized. Make sure what you are doing, you have it on your profile. What you are doing, you have it on your profile. In case if they want to check your profile to know if you're a scam or not. So they'll be able to see what you've done. They will know that okay, this person is not a scam. This is who he is. This is who he is. So those are the ways we can get more clients on TikTok. Those are the way you can get more buyers on TikTok. Those are where you can get much buyers on TikTok. And one more thing is let us know that this thing is not about you doing it today, tomorrow, and day after, and you're expecting results. It will only bring results if you are consistent. It will only bring results if you're consistent. You don't know if the next buyer you are going to contact is going to be the one that is going to change your life positively. You don't know. But the fact that you stop, you won't know if you have something ahead of you. What makes something consistent is the fact that you are consistent about that stuff. And what makes something persistent is the fact that you are persistent about that stuff. Just make sure the energy you started with is what you are still working on. The energy you started with is what you are still working on. Make sure you design everything. Those that doesn't know how to design it, if you have Photoshop, you can make use of Photoshop and download some files. And if you can't do that, I have people that use Canva for all this. I have people that use Canva for all this. Though these ones you are seeing here is not from Canva, it is from Photoshop. But I have people that are using Canva for all these videos. So let us make sure we are productive and we are doing things that are right. Thank you.